so exciting.
Tama, tama, tama. We are still twisting and shouting. And after round 1, mukhang talagang kailangan humabol ang red team. Kasi lamang ang blue team pero only by 1 point.
That's true. That's right. Round 2 is worth 2 points.
2 points.
And our second weapon of mass distraction just happens to be the ever popular... The Running
Machine. Selena of the blue team, ikaw ang mauuna. Panoorin natin to.
Hindi pwedeng mawala sa schedule ni Celine ang workout at spa treatment.
To sing Nilunok Ko Ang Lahat.
O yun, kuha mo naman pala.
Alright. Thank you very much. From the blue team, Selena! Let's move it! Move it! Vicky. Alright, baby. Don't you worry about a thing.
Nakakatakot pala to. Ano ba yan? Nilunok kong lahat at nang hiya sa dibdib. Ay! Aking nadama kahit na
You can do it, Selena!
na mayroon kang iba. Pag-ibig ko'y ikaw pa rin sinta. Kay pait, kay pait.
Running away from the law.
Come on, come on, come on, go!
Oh, faster! Come on, Selena! Boom! Oh.
Kasi naman eh.
Okay. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Selena!
Thank you.
Who are you running from?
I'm running from the silicone oil.
Running from the silicone oil.
Hindi kasi sinabi mo kanina, sige,
The joke
Ayun.
lang.
I think you're very okay. And speaking of okay, so is your challenger.
aha.
Okay na okay siya, but can she survive the running man? Geneva Cruz
The running
of the
machine.
red team. Geneva is the first and youngest Asian to win the Voice of Asia in
Her
Kazakhstan.
5th solo album will come out in January 2011.
To sing kailan? Geneva Cruz.
Come on, Geneva.
Bakit kaya naman sa tuwing ika'y nakikita?
Come on, you can smoke that
Nais ko
mountain.
na magpakilala. Ilang ulit na
Big steps, baby, big steps.
There she goes.
Kung dalawin di ka pa rin nakakilala. Bawat araw
So worried about that pedicure. See what happens? You okay, baby? We're gonna have to dig her out, but while we dig Geneva out, let's watch both.
Let's go.
Hey, quick rewind.
Judges, nasa yun na niya.
Reverse order.
Agot.
Agot.
Okay. For the blue team, si Selena, no? Selena, unang-unang palang nervyos ka na. Siguro tinhawa ka mo to dahil talagang kumakabog yung dibdib mo. Kaya okay din naman. Pero Jen, ikaw naman talagang pinaghandaan mo. Parang kakayanin ko to. Parang ganon. Tapos, I like the way you, of course, this is your song. You've sung this so many times and it's still the same. I still get kilig. Kinilig naman ako kahit ninenervyos ako for you. And mas may poise kang bumagsak. So for this round, I will give my 2 points to the red team.
Red
Oh,
team!
that's okay. That's okay. We saw you bounce back beautifully.
Jimmy?
Gandang-ganda ako dun sa boses ni Geneva, first of all, kasi ganun yung texture pa rin, the tremolo was the same, classic pa rin, classic Geneva. Beautiful voice. Si Selena naman, tuwan-tuwa ako dahil alam kong kabadong-kabado ka, but you were more focused on parang nilalandi mo yung crowd. Whereas Geneva was more focused talaga on parang lasting long. Alam mo, to be honest, I was slightly disappointed kay Geneva even though I'm so impressed by her generally because gym teacher siya sa Legally Blonde eh. So I wanted her to last longer. However, yung 2 points ko kay Geneva pa rin.
It's okay, there's one more round, sweetheart. Don't you worry.
Aiza.
Nakita ko sa simula pa lang pareho silang kinakabahan. And tama yung mga sinabi nila kanina na kayong dalawa, inilabas niya yung kaba niyo sa mga ibang paraan. And I think bagay. I think si Selena, kumbaga, in-address niya yung pagkakakaba niyan at ginawa niya ng paraan dahil parang isinama niya yung crowd. Alam mo yun, talagang in-involve niya yung crowd at talagang okay lang kayo, ganyan-ganyan. Whereas si Ate Jen naman, yung kaba niya, parang in-immerse niya yung sarili niya sa kanta niya na parang magkakaroon ng MTV na parang, bakit kaya nangangamba sa tuwing ka'y nakikita? Sa totoo lang, hirap eh. Ang napansin ko lang, mas dire-diretso yung kanta ni Ate Jen. So, 2 points was for Geneva Red Team.
Geneva on the red. No, it's
The
okay.
red team!
It's okay.
Sa round na ito, ang nakuha ng blue team, 0 points.
It's okay.
Ang nakuha ng red team, lahat ng points, 6 points ang nakuha ng red team. Ang total score standing, red team has 7 points, blue team has 2 points.
Kaya ba?
Maka-red, you guys are extremely hot. Maka-blue, alam nyo naman, di ba? Dito sa Twist and Shout, kahit ano pwede mangyari. Kayang-kaya nyo pa yan. Kaya nyo ba? O, tignan natin kung kaya ng Maka-blue na bumawi at manalo ng 200,000 pesos sa pagbabalik ng Twist and Shout!
The twisting and shouting continues.